You listening?
Yes?
Put these on. We typically work in uniform. Once you're dressed, I'll introduce you to a colleague. This gentleman here is Aki Hayakawa. He's your senior by 3 years. You're going to shadow him for the day, Denji.
I thought you and me would be working together as a team.
Well, you figured wrong. She's still out of your league, you don't even play the same sport. Let's go patrol.
Wait, please, Miss Makima!
Really? Get up.
No way! I ain't going anywhere unless it's with her!
Perform well and we'll work together down the road. The road's length depends on you. So chin up and do your best.